team in Pakistan, and that's who he's taking his wickets for. And yes, it looks like medium pace, right arm over the wicket, and slinging action, and he gets the biggest cheer of the day. From a lot about where we are with this game, because it's the most lively we've seen the Sussex Fielders for a long time. But you could see the beaming smile from here. It was he's having a good time as he's in and bowls. That's a decent delivery on a length on off stump, and Beddingham defends with a degree of respect, but the much medium pace. He sort of jogs to the crease, his arms pumping, and he does have a slinging action. I think there's a hint of swing there, but it was defended, and there is no run. There's hysterical laughter coming from Sussex's fielders, who I think are enjoying Mohammad Rizwan's cameo as much as Mohammad Rizwan is himself.
If he gets a wicket,
like they've won the championship as Rizwan bowls. I'll tell you what,
very nearly did.
Popped off a length, took Beddingham's shoulder of Beddingham's bat and ballooned up, and was inches away from the grasp of Captain Tom Haynes, who is at short point, or gully really, and that would have been an entertaining moment.
It would. I think you're right. They'd have probably leapt on him like they'd won the World Cup final. In fact, Sussex have now got
three slips.
Yeah, three slips in for Rizwan.
Two slips and a gully really, and then cover on the point boundary. If that makes any sense, a short extra cover, a mid-off as he's in bowls. That's Fuller, and that's clipped to mid-on, who got Mohammad Rizwan's bowling career in England. He's in bowls, and that was not a great delivery. It was short, wide. It kept a little low. It should have